Ever wondered how the world's most renowned investor, Warren Buffett, amassed his vast fortune? Is there a secret formula, a hidden code to unlock wealth beyond imagination? Join us as we delve into the wisdom of one of the greatest financial minds of our time. What if I told you that there's just one thing, one principle that Buffett swears by for achieving financial success? Let's embark on a journey through Buffett's own words to uncover this invaluable treasure trove of knowledge. Number 1. The Oracle speaks. Warren Buffett's voice resonates across generations, echoing through the corridors of Wall Street and Main Street alike. Fondly dubbed the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's insights into the intricacies of investing are revered worldwide. With Berkshire Hathaway as his canvas, he has painted a masterpiece of wealth creation, navigating market storms and capitalizing on opportunities with unparalleled finesse. But what sets Buffett apart isn't just his staggering net worth or his astute investment decisions. It's his unwavering commitment to timeless principles. Through his annual letters to shareholders and candid interviews, Buffett shares pearls of wisdom that transcend mere financial advice. He demystifies the complexities of the stock market, making investing accessible to all. In the realm of finance, Buffett's words aren't just spoken, they're heeded like gospel. Investors pore over his every utterance, seeking guidance and inspiration. The Oracle speaks not just of profits and losses, but of integrity, humility, and the enduring power of patience. In a world fraught with uncertainty, Buffett's voice serves as a beacon of wisdom, guiding investors towards the shores of prosperity. Number 2. Embrace market eccentricities. In the world of investing, volatility reigns supreme, and Warren Buffett urges investors to embrace rather than fear market eccentricities. He personifies the market as Mr. Market, a capricious and erratic partner whose mood swings create opportunities for savvy investors. While others cower in the face of market downturns, Buffett sees them as openings to acquire quality assets at discounted prices. Buffett's philosophy isn't about timing the market, but rather about understanding its inherent irrationality and exploiting it to one's advantage. By maintaining a long-term perspective and focusing on the underlying fundamentals of businesses, investors can navigate through the turbulence of market cycles with confidence. Embracing market eccentricities doesn't mean succumbing to panic or impulsive decision-making. Instead, it entails staying grounded in sound investment principles and capitalizing on the mispricing of assets. Through Buffett's sage advice, investors learn to view market volatility not as a threat, but as a lucrative opportunity for wealth accumulation in the long run. Number 3. Think like an owner. Warren Buffett's philosophy transcends mere stock trading. It's about embracing the mindset of a business owner. He advocates for investing in companies with durable competitive advantages and sound management, treating each investment as if purchasing the entire business. This ownership mentality encourages investors to focus on the long-term prospects and intrinsic value of businesses rather than short-term market fluctuations. By thinking like an owner, investors align their interests with the success of the companies they invest in, fostering a sense of stewardship and responsibility. Buffett's approach emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research, understanding the underlying economics of businesses, and remaining patient in the pursuit of sustainable wealth creation. Thinking like an owner not only cultivates a deeper understanding of investments, but also instills a sense of accountability and prudence in decision-making. Through Buffett's timeless wisdom, investors learn that true wealth is built by owning exceptional businesses with enduring competitive advantages rather than merely trading stocks for short-term gains. Number 4. Value investing demystified. At the heart of Warren Buffett's investment philosophy lies the principle of value investing, a concept he inherited from his mentor, Benjamin Graham. Buffett's approach entails identifying undervalued companies trading below their intrinsic worth and patiently waiting for the market to recognize their true value. Contrary to popular belief, value investing isn't about chasing hot stocks or following market trends. It's about conducting thorough fundamental analysis and seeking out businesses with strong economic moats and sustainable competitive advantages. Buffett's strategy demystifies the art of investing by focusing on the timeless principles of buying low and selling high, rather than succumbing to market speculation or herd mentality. By adhering to the fundamentals of value investing, investors can build wealth steadily over time while minimizing risk and preserving capital. Through Buffett's teachings, investors learn that the key to successful investing lies in the disciplined pursuit of intrinsic value, rather than being swayed by short-term market fluctuations or speculative frenzy. Number 5. Patience, the ultimate virtue. In Warren Buffett's world, patience isn't just a virtue, it's the ultimate secret weapon for successful investing. Buffett's approach emphasizes the importance of waiting for the right opportunities to arise and resisting the temptation to react impulsively to market fluctuations. Patience allows investors to stay focused on the long-term prospects of their investments, tuning out the noise of short-term volatility and speculation. By maintaining a calm and disciplined approach, investors can avoid costly mistakes and capitalize on opportunities that others may overlook. Buffett's own journey is a testament to the power of patience. His most successful investments have been those where he patiently waited for the right moment to strike. Through Buffett's wisdom, investors learn that true wealth is built not through haste, but through the steady accumulation of quality assets over time. Number 6. The Berkshire Hathaway Legacy. Berkshire Hathaway stands as a testament to Warren Buffett's enduring legacy and investment philosophy. Under his stewardship, Berkshire has evolved from a struggling textile company into one of the largest and most successful conglomerates in the world. At the heart of Berkshire's success lies Buffett's commitment to owning exceptional businesses with strong competitive advantages and talented management teams. Through strategic acquisitions and prudent capital allocation, Buffett has built a diverse portfolio of companies spanning various industries, from insurance and utilities to retail and manufacturing. Berkshire Hathaway serves as a beacon of stability and long-term value creation in an ever-changing market landscape. Its consistent performance and steadfast adherence to Buffett's principles have earned the trust and admiration of investors worldwide. Through Berkshire's remarkable journey, investors glean invaluable lessons in the art of patient, disciplined investing, and the enduring power of owning quality businesses for the long haul. Number 7. The joy of long-term investing. Warren Buffett finds immense joy in the practice of long-term investing, a sentiment echoed throughout his illustrious career. Unlike short-term speculators driven by market gyrations, Buffett derives satisfaction from owning businesses for the long haul. For Buffett, investing isn't merely about accumulating wealth. It's about fostering enduring relationships with the companies he invests in and sharing in their journey of growth and success. By adopting a patient buy-and-hold approach, Buffett has cultivated a sense of stewardship and responsibility towards the businesses he owns. Long-term investing offers investors the opportunity to participate in the wealth creation process while enjoying the journey along the way. It's about embracing the intrinsic value of businesses, staying the course through market turbulence, and reaping the rewards of compounding over time. Through Buffett's example, investors discover the profound fulfillment that comes from building wealth steadily and responsibly, one sound investment at a time. Warren Buffett's wisdom boils down to a simple yet profound truth. Success in investing isn't about chasing trends or timing the market. It's about discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective. By embracing these principles, you can navigate the complexities of the financial world with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy investing.